Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how I bypassed screen time using this brand new app called Screen Time Plus Plus. So basically what this is, guys, it's an app that allows you to bypass screen time on any device without jailbreaking or rooting your device or anything like that, guys. So let me show you guys how this app works, right? So right now I have screen time on my account, okay? And so with this app, basically it's a break-in, so you can basically just turn it off using this app, right? So watch, turn off screen time. Now of course you would think it would make me use a password, but boom, look at that, screen time has been disabled, no passcode required. So yeah, this is the only way on how to disable screen time without a passcode. It's super simple, guys. It's super easy. This works on all versions of iOS, all iOS devices, including iOS 16. So if you guys are on iOS 16, this will work. I'll show you guys exactly how to get this. Like I said, you don't need a jailbreak or anything like that to get this on your device. Okay, so let's get into it, guys. I'm gonna just show you guys before we get into it that I am on the latest version of iOS here. So check this out, guys. I'm on iOS 16.5.1 on my iPhone 12, and yeah, this is running absolutely flawlessly, guys. And yeah, I've tested this out on other devices and versions. This works on earlier versions, and this also works on iOS 17. I wish I had my iOS 17 device with me right now so I could show you guys. But yeah, so this is really the only way I could ever find to bypass screen time on iOS 16 without jailbreaking or anything like that. So yeah, if you guys want to get this app, just follow along with me. I'll show you guys exactly how to get this Screen Time Plus Plus app so you guys can get around your screen time restrictions as well. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, guys, of course, is we're going to go to this site over here. So just get this typed in, guys, and basically this is where we're going to get the app from, so we can get around that screen time. Okay, guys, so get this typed in, guys. Like I said, this works on all versions of iOS, all iOS devices, even iPads if you guys are on an iPad. So get this typed in, guys, click the go button, and we're just going to search for screen. So there it is, guys, Screen Time Plus Plus. You want to just hit that button right there. So once you hit that button, it's basically going to start building you a personalized app tailored to your device based on your device's version and specs and all that. Once that bar is finished, guys, it's going to get us to get a profile here. So basically, we're just going to have to get this profile loader, and from there, I'll show you guys how to do the rest of the steps. But it's very simple, guys. It's very easy. It literally takes like 2 minutes of your time to get this all set up on your device, okay? So yeah, you know, I tried a lot of methods on how to get around screen time, and this is pretty much the only foolproof way that actually worked, the only foolproof method that actually worked for me. Okay, so if you guys, so basically, guys, can hit you with this message. So just click allow, close, and then we're gonna go back to our settings, guys, and we're going to click on this right here. So there's, guys, Screen Time Plus Plus, bypass screen time on all iOS devices. Obviously, that's what we're looking for, and I'll just get my passcode punched in there. Boom, boom, boom. So I basically just updated my Screen Time Plus Plus app. So what you guys got to do from here is you guys got to pop that app open, click the go button twice, do exactly what the setup instructions say to do. But if you guys are stuck at all on the setup instructions, just click on the red play button on the top of the setup wizard. That'll basically take you to a full YouTube video walkthrough guide with all the steps, step by step, and a full video tutorial on exactly how to do these steps, guys. It's very simple, guys. It shouldn't take you longer than like 2 minutes to figure it out. But if you guys are stuck at all, just, I'm telling you guys, watch that video guide. It is blessed. It'll show you guys exactly what to do and how to do it, okay? So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, just drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you guys out. But like I said, it should be fairly simple for you guys to figure this out, okay? So if you guys found this helpful at all, please like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep on pushing out bangers like this, guys. And guys, this is the only way on earth on how to bypass your screen time restrictions on iOS 17 or 16 without a jailbreak on any iPhone or iPad device, okay? So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, okay?